Hello again, this is Mark Lieberman, your local solar ace here from Harvest Power, covering all of Long Island, Westchester County, New York City, and the entire state of New Jersey. I'm sitting with John from East Rockaway today, who's a former police officer slash detective from New York City, first responder. Thank you for your service. John just got installed today. In fact, we're in the process of installing them right now. And I was hoping I could ask you a few questions, John. Is that okay?
Sure.
So, John, I wanted to ask you about your experience. How has it been? Was there anything that stood out that you enjoyed or helped you make the decision to choosing Harvest Power and myself?
Yes, the overall communication between me and you and the company and the whole explanation of the process of the job and how it works was very well explained and easy to process for me and for my wife to make the decision to go with this company.
I remember when we spoke on the phone, you had a bunch of questions about how payment works for the system, the incentives, the loans. Could you tell me a little bit about your experience regarding the information and the questions that you had?
Yes, the whole explanation of the loans that I had gotten from Mark and explained how there's a lease option, a loan option, and I wanted to go with the loan option after I found out more about it. And he explained to me how the loans worked and the interest deferred and everything, and it was well explained and very easy to handle. All the paperwork was done mostly by them. I just had to do some signatures and everything was on its way.
Speaking of the purchase option versus the lease option, obviously Harvest Power offers both to our clients because certain customers qualify for one program, maybe not another program. How did you benefit by getting the purchase option as opposed to anything else that we might offer at that time?
I preferred the purchase option just so the incentives would go directly to me and I'm able to pay off the loan that much faster and bring value to my home if I ever decide to sell it down the road.
John, I really want to take this time to thank you for participating in the video and answering the questions. Certainly, I want to thank you for choosing Harvest Power and myself as your local solar representative. Is there anything you'd like to say before we say goodbye for the day?
It's been a pleasure. Everything's been smooth and very happy with everything that's going on so far.
Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always around, as you know. If I'm awake, I'm pretty much working. Just give me a ring.
Sure.
Thanks so much again, John.